Hey everyone, I just got back from Costco and we're going to be unboxing a Shark Powered Lift Away with Speed with Duo Clean technology. So, alright, it says Pet Multi-Tool, yes. Pet Power Brush, yes. Flexi Crevice Tool, Duster Crevice Tool, Brush and Duster, Under Appliance one, Accessory Bag, 7-year warranty. Let's get this baby unboxed. We'll do a jigger here. Here's the directions. Here's the bag. Here's the brush attachment that spins. And here we have a hose that, I don't know, right there. And this is the brush tool, crevice tool, another crevice tool. Then right here is the power head. Then right here's the hose and the under appliance wand. And this is the wand. At the bottom we have the actual vacuum. Okay, I'm going to make a part 2 video of me putting it together. Okay, so now I'm going to do a video of me putting it together. Okay, so I assembled the one I bought last year before. So that goes right there. And there's a vacuum. And so you put the hose goes right there. And there it's put together. So I'm going to do a demonstration on this and I'll see how it works.